Karma is big or luck? I asked this question to my Guruji whether luck is bigger or karma. Then Guruji told that luck is the result of karma. The one who acts like a living being gets its fruit. That is the fruit of luck. Then I asked that when it is not written in the fate, then how and what actions will the creature do? It is said that even a leaf does not move without the will of God. So how will one get happiness or sorrow without God's permission? And if sorrow or happiness is all dependent on God's will, then what will one do if it is written in fate? Happiness is written in fate, and if God does not wish, then even if it is written in fate, you will not get happiness. Then Guruji told that when a customer goes to buy goods from the shop, he asks the price of the goods, not the seller, and that customer buys the goods and not the shopkeeper. But still the goods have to be given to the shopkeeper, and we also give the money to the shopkeeper only, not the goods. We also ask the price of that item from that shopkeeper and not from that item. According to our money, the shopkeeper determines the weight of the goods, determines its quality. Then he gives the goods. Or we like stuff. Then ask the shopkeeper its price. And then after paying the price according to the quality and quantity of that goods, they bring the goods home. In the same way, God tests the quantity and quality of our deeds. Then according to it gives its fruit. No matter how hard we try, we will get the result of our deeds only. Then I asked Guruji that when everything will happen as it is written in destiny, then why to work? Whatever is written will happen. Guruji told that whatever is written in the fate, or in other words whatever has been written by the Creator, will happen. No matter what anyone does, it cannot be avoided. So then I asked why even try? It is better to remain silent and sit quietly. Why try? After all, what is written will happen, then why to work? Guruji told that what is written remains to be. Luck or bad luck gives its effect in full measure at the right time. But we can save ourselves from that fate or misfortune. Just like Lord Surya spreads scorching heat at exactly 2 o'clock. Due to the fierce heat, the animal starts crying, and then either goes under the shade of a tree to avoid that heat, or takes shelter in an air-conditioned house according to his ability. But by doing this, neither the heat of Lord Sun decreases nor does Lord Sun set. He does his job perfectly. With our efforts, we get relief from that heat by going in the shade or in the air conditioner. In the same way, luck or bad luck gives its full effect at the right time. But we can save ourselves from bad luck with the shadow of good deeds like worship, recitation, yagya, yantra, mantra and tantra, ritual, donation, etc. And the one who does not try or does not go to the shade gets scorched by the heat. Then Guruji told that a person had come with his relative to show his horoscope. Guruji told him that the horoscope was impure. So he said that it means you also want to make another horoscope, so that you too can get some of it. How much dakshina is taken? Guruji said even if you are a millionaire, you do not have the ability to give dakshina to a Brahman. When the truthful King Harishchandra could not give dakshina to Brahman Vishwamitra even after selling his kingdom, then what will you give? Guruji said, what do you want to ask? So he said that I do not want to ask anything. This is my brother. Impressed by your fame, he has come here to know his future. I know directly that what is written in my destiny cannot be changed, and unfortunately cannot be avoided. But when Guruji explained its analysis to him, he was very impressed. Guruji says that a man should first know what is his suffering. The type of suffering should be known first by studying the 12 houses of the horoscope properly. And then proper measures should be taken to solve it. Luck or bad luck cannot be changed, but its good or bad effects can be avoided. Friends, how did you like this information? Please express your views in the comment box. If you like the video, then like the video and share it with your friends and relatives. Do subscribe the channel, we will keep bringing such Vedanta in front of you. Till then, Om Tattva Satya.